let's add some sunflowers into the foreground of this cute but determined little face. I love this photo. It's so cute. So you can see here we have a beautiful subject, we have a gorgeous background, but here we kind of have the dirt track. So we may as well put something of interest there, because for this particular image it doesn't really serve it. So let's pop some sunflowers in. I'm using the LSP Floral Applicator Actions and the LSP Sunflowers downloaded as part of the Lavender and Sunflower Botanical Pack. To watch the full tutorial for this one, you can check that out on the LSP Actions website. This is just a quick demo. I'm going to click Apply Floral. And on the sunflower overlays, which one shall we go for? Let's go for something that's really going to kind of cover that area. So I'm going to go for this one here, Sunflower Side Warm 3. I'm just going to right click and flip this one horizontal. So it's just coming in here. And what we're doing, we're just adding kind of the other side of the path, really. I'm going to click on the layer and add some blur paint to this one. We want it really in the foreground. I'm also going to lighten this up and add the toning cooler on it and just bring the opacity up on that one. Just so it matches our scene, but not enough so it looks too cold. And a little contrast pop. I'm also going to add a manual hue and saturation and select the reds and just take them down a little bit into the yellows for this image, just so it matches a little bit more to what we've got going on. If you're unsure of how to add adjustment layers, there's so many tutorials online, they're really handy to be able to add in Photoshop. I'm going to add a manual curves layer as well. I'm just going to add a little bit of contrast into these, using curves, just playing with the curve, bringing the darks and the whites up and the mid-tones in a bit, just so we're kind of matching the image. On the blur, I think I'm going to increase that a little more. But with the black brush selected, I'm just going to take the blur off these edge sunflowers here. So we've got that depth of field kind of matching there. And now to kind of blend it together and finish the image off, I'm going to apply the Sweet Sunflower Finisher, which is included in your download. And that just blends and merges everything. You can use a black brush to remove a little bit from your subject's face if you wanted to. You don't have to. I'm just going to bring that opacity up. And you can remove this from anywhere you don't want it to show just by clicking around with a black brush. I have a big black brush selected. You can resize your brush using the square bracket keys. And we're done. A 2-minute edit. So before image and after. It's really finishing off that little sunflower story we're telling with the image. And you can get these as well as all the other botanicals over on the LSP Actions website, lsp-actions.com. You can watch the video tutorials on the site under the video tutorial library, overlays, botanicals, and you can click on all the sunflower tutorials, as well as the lavender, the blossoms, the bluebells, the meadow flowers, the studio whites, neutrals, boho, pampas, bushes. Everything is there for you to watch whenever you like. So I hope you love these. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.